لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله.
Welcome to Radio HRDF.
أنك الله أحلامي مبللة.
It is Allah who created tiny particles and the universe. It is the same God who created man, other creatures, made this earth inhabitable, and made this earth rich with edibles and fruits. It is the very same Allah who provided us with wealth in different quantities, is asking the people to lend to Allah. As the wealth of ours is His grace and bounty, why is He asking for loan? Moreover, He says He will return it multiplied. Allah qualifies such a person as someone worthy of divine reward. Further, Allah promises to such person mercy and further bonus from Him, according to Surah Taghabun. Allah draws the pictures of someone who received divine guidance or hidayah as one practicing daily prayers regularly and spending from what Allah has provided. Quran has fixed zakat as a mandatory ibadah. It is to guide Muslims regarding their money spending patterns. The literal meaning of the word zakah is purity. It is to purify the whole life itself through purifying wealth. Moreover, it is the duty to provide alms to the fellow man motivated by the kind spirit. This deed is mentioned as giving loan to Allah. When you give loan to anyone, please note it is giving loan to Allah. May Allah bless us all.
لا غروب ولا ليل ولا شفق